Morning. Welcome, traders. Today, we do have a couple of news coming up at 10. We did have the Case-Shiller indicator, the S&P for the housing market, and they went up 3.9% year over year, which is amazing. Viewing these mortgage rates, it is what it is. They're still going up. Then we have consumer confidence at 10, Richmond Manufacturing Index. And then we have Waller speaking at 10, 10:45. We have another one. So we have few speakers, so we need to be aware of that. Okay. Regarding the ES, we're gapping down a little bit, not much. This is the overnight low. This is a good area of a resistance here, the overnight low. I was counting for the 46. I remember yesterday this was my target, around 46. Then I have demand here at 42.50, and the supply is the same as yesterday. We can see how this is the high volume node for the entire area. 2.5 days, because this is a holiday. This is Friday. So the COT didn't move, so I will account for this as a selling area between 64 and 68. With the caveat of I will be flexible if it goes a little bit above of it. Okay. If I see the market going above 70, I will definitely not consider the short. Unless the internals are very, very clear to the downside. On the demand side, like I said here, 46 is a good area, although 42.50 is the demand that I have. And the best one is 33.50. Okay. Regarding the dollar is going down. Let me open up this window a little bit. Yeah. So the dollar is going down. That makes the market bullish, but rates are holding up here at 4.4, and the yield curve is steepening. That means that the market, because of the rates, the market is usually weak when we have a yield curve steepening, meaning that the long end is going up faster than the short end, right? In the meantime, the dollar is going down very, very aggressively to the downside. We had, since November 1st, we have gone down from 107 to 102. That's around 4%, 4.5%. That's quite a move in just 1 month for the dollar. Okay, so the intermediate time frame and the long time frame in the dollar is negative, right? Is down. Yeah, so I'm leaning more to the bullish side, but let's see how the market reacts and what the internals tells us. Remember, yesterday I was shorting because of the internals. The internals were negative, but while I was in the trade, they flipped. Advanced decline started breaking highs, and tick chart was holding up above 0. So I caught my trade, I cut it off, and I lost like 0.3 R. But I didn't have any real demand to engage, right? My demands were down below here. Remember, if we break this 68, if it's not today, probably tomorrow, we're going to have a break either to the upside or the downside. It could be tomorrow, by the end of the week. But these high volume nodes here, this sideways movement right here, always functions as a launch point, right? So I want to be aware when we are like when we have like overwhelmingly skewed internals, so I can engage to either direction. All right, let's come here. Good morning, everyone. Here's Humberto. Good morning. All right, so advanced decline negative, take chart negative. And let's go to the execution tab. And there we go. We have news at 10, so we don't have to rush any trade. We will have volatility. Not really. I do have a chart. I do have a chart that I use not for my day trading, but to assess the overall direction on the market. And I do have a I use standards deviation for that one, but I will just remind me later, and I'll show it to you. I take how many stocks are above the 200 and the 50 daily moving average, just to assess a overall the health of the market. And when their standards deviation are above 2, that means that 98% of the possibilities are within that bell curve, right? But I don't use it to execute my trades here. Wow. Advanced decline is very good, bro. What do you say, Ale? Hmm? For little call, yeah. I don't dislike the short though. Want to see the advanced decline just steady there. Even divergent would be better, right? A higher high, and this thing is not gonna go above this. Um, and for that, we could even use the gap close or the same 64. What do you say? What's your location? Gap close is 60. What? Yeah, 60 is not bad. So the Russell, the weakest market, The ES is the most like neutral, NQ and the Dow are um bullish ones. Banks are fairly neutral. Still haven't broken any low yet. The dollar has reached has reached a demand there. Is not um something that I will blindly trust, because the dollar bias is evidently to the short side on the dollar, and that makes equities attractive. Bro, the chart is textbook for the short and advanced decline as well. The thing is the location. Where at? Are we expecting a spike, or we expect a continuation to the downside? Hmm? 'Jay, what's your level in the NQ? Ask Pearson. We've been trapped in the NQ and the ES for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days. 6 trading days, yeah. We're creating a or we are creating a range. 16,013 to go long. After it clears 16, you go long. Bro, a lot of selling is happening. ¿Oíste? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 60, bro. Honestly, I think we have the potential to reach 42. Why my replicanto is not working? Fuck. Gain. Oh, oh, there we go. Check if these ones are working. Two more minutes for the next 15. That's fine. J is long. J is long. Um, I'm still short bias, but let's see how this goes. I'm gonna think about 56, ¿oíste? Dale. I wanna think about 56. ¿Cómo que what? Oh, why? Pivot from yesterday at 243, and it created a resistance there. I'm gonna think about the 56. Yeah, we're far. Still far from there. So this is important. I want to see tick chart. If it bounces from 0, then 60 is the entry. If it doesn't bounce, then 56 is a good entry. Yeah. Oh, I got to 54.50. God. Mm-hmm. Good. Hmm. Um. Yeah, I want a 56 here. I wanted either 56 or 60. I have another at 60, but I could bring it down to 56. Me neither. Yeah, no financial advice. Yeah. I think we have the potential to get to 42, somewhere around there. Certainly the range extension is 31, so we're far from there. Yeah, gold is wow. I just saw it at 2020. Yeah, 2027 right now. Bro, but still delta negative, Spider. I know there's some bits there, but being taken out, being absorbed by sellers. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. If we break 40, let's say 49. Bro, we're having a positive divergence on the advanced decline. Yeah. See that? Why? The- yeah, but the divergence is right there. Like it's about to happen. It hasn't happened yet. It hasn't happened yet. Still alive, Jay? Oh. Yeah, at this point, we have 3 minutes for the consumer confidence, consumer whatever is coming. What is it? Consumer confidence and Richmond Manufacturing Index. And we have Gooseby, and then we have Waller, then we have Bowman speaking. So, yeah, yeah, news are coming in 2 minutes. So, and then we have GDP tomorrow. Nice. So we have this. Almost had a divergence on the advanced line. We sort of had it like equal lows, but higher low on the advanced line. Um, but on the tick, we haven't broken zero to the upside. I'm not entirely convinced about the long. I think I will short again at 56 or 60. 30 seconds for the news. All right, so news is out, no reaction yet. Wow, what is this, bro? No volatility whatsoever. Wow, VIX at 12. There we go. Fire stepping in. think I have 5150, bro. 5150. Hmm. As per the tick, I rather the short. What do you say? Here, yes, and majority of the time, no, have numbers ADD is that. There's no bullets whatsoever. I don't know. I would say according to have a clear a good location. Now we have a bullish candle here, bro, at 52. Bro, that's the katana. Bro, I'm gonna put an order at 52. Yeah. What do you say about tick? Now, still tick is more negative than positive, don't you think? But advanced decline, what do you say about advanced decline? It looks more bullish though. Hmm? Yeah. About to get filled. Oh, I like the long. I like the long. Look at the advanced decline now. Huh? Are we expecting to create a new low? So it did touch the limit order, but didn't fill me in none of my trades, in none of my accounts, in none of them. All right, I'm in it. Some buyers there. Nothing crazy, to be honest. Bro, what is this volatility? Now I think it's negative. How negative? Yeah, not much. It's far. 63. The gap closes at 60. Probably I would need to bring it there if it's, yeah, just no. Yeah, tick chart is now negative. Advanced decline is negative as is negative, but has been going up. That's a lot of selling there. It's a lot of selling and no follow through. That's and I like the tick chart. Tick chart's bouncing off of very shallow negative numbers. Advanced decline holding up there. See how this goes. Hmm? Yeah, 54, I think. 54. Yeah, but a lot of selling going on there, bro. A lot. A lot of selling. Yeah. One more minute for the 15. I don't know. We might have more room to go down, to be honest. Although advanced decline does not look bad, tick chart is quite neutral. Uh, don't hit connect. Hit the X. That's okay. Yeah, 56 is 54 is being broken right now. Well, we need to break 56. Oh, you're long in it? Oh, nice. Yeah, 56 is key. So the footprint is showing plus 1000, plus 900, plus 800. Ooh, plus 700. Wow. Yeah, sellers are there. Sellers are there. But bro, look at the advanced decline. It doesn't look bad. Advanced decline does not look bad to have that amount of sellers now. We're back at plus 1200. Yeah, I think we have to wait. We have to just let it work. Yeah, sellers are there, but they did not have too much strength. Gap close is 60, right? Yeah. I mean, that candle was nasty to the downside. Now it recouped. Um, some buyers stepped in. What's your entry? Yeah, 56 is a sensitive point, bro. But it's not reacting as I was expected, to be honest. I was expecting. It's not reacting as I was expecting. I thought it was going to be more aggressive to the downside. Like there were some sellers there were, but they didn't have the strength to turn the candle back down. Now advanced decline is clearly to the upside, and tick chart is clearly skewed to the upside. Don't you think? Mm-hmm. Don't touch it. Yeah, first hour high is always something that we need to pay attention to, right? But you know what? Even if it retraces and I get out break even, which I probably will, because my location is not like the most optimal location. I could re-engage because look at the advanced client and the tick. Huh? Yeah, I don't see why I would short. I wouldn't short right now. Huh? Yeah, I wouldn't short either. Now closing the gap is a good target. Now because of my entry, I have it above, but I might close it at 60 if it gets there. What? Yeah, sellers are there. Sellers are there trying to push this thing down. So, do you have a limit order, Ale? Okay. Where 50 50 50. So the Dow is the only one pushing. So the other markets are not pushing. Yeah, but it's amazing how the Russell is not pushing, but the advanced decline is so positive. I mean, no positive in a sense of where it is, but the trend, because the advanced decline is still negative. It's a minus 300, but we opened up at minus 1,000. I mean, there's a lot of selling happening there. There is a lot of selling. Look, how come it is? Look, plus 458 and it closed plus 233. That's selling, aggressive selling. I have no idea. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I'm not just because of my location. It's not ideal. Yeah, it's a lot of selling in this candle, bro. I don't know. You know what? On the gap, I like it to move fast. Not because I know when it goes up a lot slower than when it goes down. But when it is in the gap, I like it to move fast. So that means that we don't have much orders there, right? Much liquidity, like you guys say. Um, but it's exactly the opposite is happening. It's just stalling at the gap. I don't like that. I wanted to close the gap fast. But look, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I don't have any action to take. It's either break even or no target. I don't know if I'm gonna leave my target here of 63. I might bring it down to 60. All depends on the internals. And there's no reason why hey, we're not looking bad. Not like negative. No. Honestly, there's no reason. I mean, there's a normal pullback. If it doesn't go, then trade wasn't either way. Yes. Yeah, no. The internals are not looking bad. We need to let it play out. I mean, I wouldn't short. That's for sure. I wouldn't short there. Um, I would not short in that level anymore because I wanted to short, but the advance, look at the advance decline from minus 1,000 to minus 200. Yes. Yeah, it's making new high. So, and it's crazy because the Russell is the most negative market, to be honest. I feel like we need to close above more. Uh, I mean, tick is above zero. Advanced decline continues to go up. I'm gonna let it work. I moved my stop break even because we're not moving smoothly to the upside, but that's it. I still like the long. And look, if we have the COT at 64, it's not crazy that we reached 64 today. Um, because that amount of volume is where all price is attracted to, right? It works like a magnet. It always go to that area at some point. Yeah, a lot of selling happening, bro. Like sellers are there, evidently. Yeah, that's true. I could accelerate the move to the upside if we are able to break. $30 for the new 15. That could fuck our trade though. Well, at least mine because I'm just 3 points up. How much are you up? Yeah. New 15. Tick is finally below zero. Come on. Tick is bouncing. That's good. That is very good. Yeah, it bounces off of like minus 200, minus 100. That's good. Well, so the market is buying the dip. Wait for 57. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Coming back. Juan Martin is asking for a free Chipotle. I think we're gonna stay in this range, to be honest. It's taking so long to break. What about fangs? What about the fangs? Yeah, very neutral. Very neutral. Bro, I got my candles in Ninja Trader that they look big, but it's just freaking 7 points. That's nothing.
Oh god.
Oh lord.
87 break. Building up.
Just no bueno.
What's the range?
No, it's that shit is far. Is well, if this is the the low of the day is the overnight, right? Yeah. So the extension is 81. But is doubt, I mean, it's very unlikely that we complete the range. The ATR is just going down. Now, it has gotten to a level that we might get a breakout anytime soon. This week or next week, either to the upside or the downside.
If it breaks below 54, then this. I think it's starting to value below zero.
Yeah, we're gonna get stuck out. The 15 does not look pretty, to be honest. I mean, the gap is putting some selling pressure. Bro, there's nothing you can do for this trade to work. Just stay put. act neutral because there's nothing in your power. So it's silly to be frustrated for
I
something that
mean,
you
yeah,
have no control.
it's either break,
Huh?
it's either break even or target.
I mean, yeah, oh, you can close it right now if you think it's gonna go down, but I mean, tick chart does not look bad. It's just it is the nature of tick chart. Now your entry is a lot better than mine, so you have a better probabilities for it to work. Because honestly, I could get wicked out, right? And then for me to re-enter, I need a new location, and new location is not easy to find with this volatility,
Yeah.
right? But you have a better location.
Range is balanced. We have 87 orders.
Yeah, yeah,
I say
VIX.
if you break 57,
Yeah, it's gonna
skyrocket.
fly. Yeah, it's gonna fly. But we need to break 57. If we break 57, then we're gonna fly.
The candle close it. Hey,
That's good. That's very good. And advanced client is very good as well.
just wait 2 more points for target. Uh,
Go have a walk, bro. Swimming. Let's
in the
jump
pool,
in the pool. Yeah.
almost there.
You should have hit it. You're not in it.
No, I'm still in it.
Oh, but you didn't hit your target.
No,
I think we got to 60. We did get to 60, right? What?
No, what's that?
You're out? Still in it.
Sorry.
It's 63 3/4, but look at the advanced decline, bro. Huh? Now you're gonna say ridiculous? That was what you were expecting, right?
Yeah, I mean it's ridiculously high. Basically, when you have a target, you don't get slipped.
No, because you have a limit order, bro.
When you you get
You're
slipped.
out of it. I'm still in it. I'm gonna try to hold it to 63 3/4. But it is what it is. Let's see. I mean, take chart is still very high. I think I can reach 63 3/4. If not, I'll get out at 60. If not, I'll get out at 60. All right, so I hit target. I hit target. That was a good trade. That was a damn good trade. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's annoying. Let's go. Today I'm eager to show my I'm eager to show this, brother. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. That was a good day.
Sí, ¿no?
Today was a good day. Oh shit. So he's 58 times 30. Yeah. Like 2 grand. Yeah. Mice. Nice. Yeah. Bro, I'm curious how you got a better entry than me.
You got a better target than me, for sure.
Well, I did, but it's because when you get the momentum, that's what I was look and look at that. It could continue to go up.
I told you that 57. Once we pumped that 57,
Yeah.
it was gonna skyrocket.
Yeah, because a lot of sellers were piling up there. But look now the tick chart, bro. That shit is gonna continue. That shit is gonna go up. It's gonna continue up. I probably we have some rejections because of this um area. But look at the tick chart, bro. It hit 1,000, and now the advanced decline is clearly, bro, to the upside. Thanks, buddy. There you go. I had a very conservative target. Not conservative. Let's say the first conservative target was going to be 60, and I had 64. But look at that. It went 4 more points. Now remember, we are in a high volume node from the area. This could reject prices to the downside.
Quick workout or what?
I already worked out, bro. No, we're gonna keep trading the afternoon.
All right.
The replay.
Yeah.
We're doing double sessions on every day. We are doing the regular open for the current day, and we're going back like 2 months or a month, a random day, and we play the open again for like 2 hours real time. We don't fast forward. Yeah, we don't fast forward. Just try to play it like if we were live. So that makes us. I think it helps us to improve our learning curve. Overall volume low to get you Thank you, buddy. So I still like the long, right? Remember, we're in an area of sellers. That COT, that blue lines are sellers, right? Um, if you are going to get long, look for a location. Look for a good location. I would say it's crazy, but 56 is 9 points above, and then this gap close. Just get rid of this. Okay.
Was that the long was a no brainer. Once we didn't break down, once we didn't like reject or fully flush below the overnight, there was no initiative selling. Bro, the internals were starting to flip. Like the fact that the ADD was a negative 1,000, bro, and it's now plus 300. It just tells you a lot about the market environment and what has been the past few 3 4 weeks. Honestly, just fake fake breakdowns, fake outs to the downside, and then you get all those trap sellers and just fucking rallies. Bro.
Yeah.
It's been a textbook, and people keep thinking that, oh yeah, we're finally gonna get a flush, or we're finally gonna reject this rally, this overextension that we have in the market, but not like that.
Yeah.
We haven't seen real market weakness so far. And honestly, bro, I think we could reach the year's high. I think in a year, so a whole month.
Yes.
Santa rally.
Santa Rally is in 3 weeks. Advanced decline is bro. That's good that we spotted the advanced decline on time because it was diverging to the upside and it was um bro. You had a fucking clean entry, bro. That was
Yeah,
good.
but my target was.
¿Por qué? How much
Yeah,
do you get? 2 to 1?
I got 2.5.
Yeah, está bien. Well, no,
Like
bro.
once we had this and we did not break, because you see one failed flush, another failed flush. Here, this I told once we tried this thing, I should have adapted to that and moved at least my target to
Actually,
five
actually, the
overnight.
actually, yeah, because you're seeing on the hindsight, bro. That's not fair. It's not fair for you. But if you see the candle that started to flush all the sellers, that was 1038, 1039. Heard of me? It's 1,400 orders, bro. and then the next one is 15. That was when you hit your target. That's why I didn't. That's why I didn't. Like I was thinking about 60 if we get there without momentum, but now take it. It was above 600. We have a bunch of orders here, high volume. That's why I just kept my target at 63 three quarters. But look at that. It continued. It continued up. It got to 68 three quarters. But I'm not gonna complain, bro. It is what it is. For those who use Apex, we do have a 90% that expires today. If you use that coupon code, they pay me the astonished um amount of $2, $2. But that helps me with the YouTube. I buy gears, I buy stuff, mics, um, promotions, etc.
Bro, better.
Yeah,
How about comparing trading
not in Starbucks every day.
from maybe the Starbucks itself? I didn't take a trade yesterday, and
Yeah,
I
sure.
took a banger.
Yeah, sure.
The Starbucks, the coffee in the morning, a burrito.
The burrito. Jay, how much you get? How many points in the NQ? That was a good run on the NQ, right? Bro, fuck. NQ moves so well. So you got to 1646. Actually, 48. And we were talking about getting long at 82. That's 62 is 1200 bucks per contract. In the meantime, the ES moved 60 bucks per contract. Yeah, NQ is so much better, bro. I wish it didn't hurt my psychology, to be honest.
What?
The NQ. I wish it didn't hurt my psychology. So there he goes. There is the supply area putting some pressure to the downside. Now, still the long works for me. Still the long. I think the long is the best trade. But remember, the location is very very important. You don't have internals to get in here. That's 60. That's what I think. Um, I think we could easily get back down to 57. If the internals were a little bit more bullish, like the advanced decline at plus 1000 and holding, probably yes, 62, 60 is a good entry. But for me, it's not a good location here.
It's like this. I'm gonna be full of it.
¿Cuánto estás ganando en la cuenta? Ah, es good.
So it's just like this.
Just paying
Ah,
Zuma. When I get funded, we're gonna go to Zuma, the brunch. Juan, just get your $150. We're gonna go a brunch on Zuma. Bro, Dick Cherry's textbook positive, bro. So beautiful. Huh?
no, but you see the importance of having a good zone. It's like you reach your high volume node and how to tradable reaction.
Yeah, that's why. Uh,
Like like
that was
against
it. Was my target.
what?
That one was my
Yeah,
target.
sure.
Huh?
Yeah, in hindsight, in hindsight,
Yeah, in hindsight,
it looks easy.
it's easy. Now I was risking more, right? Because if it started to go down at 60, you would have gone your target, and I wouldn't, right? So it is it has two perspectives, right? Like you had a more probabilistic target than I did. But you also got a better entry. You also got a better entry. That's important.
I mean, your entry was much easy,
Like 1.5 or something.
and your entry was good.
Yeah, 52
52.
1 3/4. Yeah, it's not bad.
I mean, not every entry is gonna be the perfect entry, obviously, but bro, I think that was the if a way to make a setup, it will be your entry or my entry.
Yeah.
Those are the entries that we have to get. Thank God you shifted your bias.
Yeah, no.
Thank God
Look,
you were able to adapt.
bro, I was shifting my bias since 9:53 when I told you we have a divergence. Still negative, but we're diverging. And then we're started to go up. And what time was our trade? Well, mine was at 10:08. 10:08. Bro, 10:08. There is no doubt that the advanced decline is already shifted. Look at that. 10:08 right here.
To 10-11. I was able to get the
Even better.
I was able to get the last bit.
Yeah, that was the last opportunity. Yes, I got filled. Like I was, how can I say this? Like my chances to get filled in was a lot better than yours.
Yeah.
Huh?
More aggressive. What was your stop?
Below the
Below over 9.
no. Below the pivot, it was it was around the overnight.
Mine was below
So
46.
that's a lot. That's a better setup than mine.
For page.
Yeah.
People to do work and keep. What you make today? 2 grand?
2 grand. The recap first.
Coffee.
Yeah, I'm gonna make. or one tablet. One. I hit a new weight on my Smith.
Played on 25.
No, one plate and 20. One is how much is that?
How
Nine.
many replays?
I did 12. 12 or 10.
You should go up to like a plate or 35
And,
and do
and,
lower reps.
and bro, there was a lady doing not in the Smith machine, but on the squat rack with my weight, and then I was doing leg extensions, and I was doing like more than double her weight.
Okay.
So it's something. I think it's something mental that I have with squat that I'm not able to go up and
You don't want to train with me in the squat rack.
what?
You
No,
don't want to
no,
train with me in the squat rack.
bro. No, the thing is that I am. Like I have somehow a fear about squats. My back. I hurt my back once when I was doing. That was like 2015. I was doing what is it? Uh, lo que se hace en el box.
Jump? Jump ropes.
No, but I was in. Oh fuck! This is bro. Okay. I was not going to the gym, but box, the warehouse where we were always doing um. Hey, forgotten.
The box.
The box is the place where you go to. Bro, I have a man.
I
Déjame
don't know what the
buscarlo.
fuck the box.
Yeah, déjame buscarlo. It's I'll tell you. I'll tell you what I was. Yeah.
Oh, 54D, like the
No,
bootcamp?
no, it was like a bootcamp, pero no era un bootcamp. ¿Qué es lo que se llama? ¿Cómo se llama esta disciplina? ¿Cómo se llama esta disciplina?
Ah, CrossFit.
CrossFit. There you go. Oh my
The
god.
box. You mean the box? What's
The
a box?
Marico, the warehouse is called the box.
They changed it then because it's 54D hour.
No. 54D is just a brand, right?
Uh-huh.
It's a place. No. The box is the generic name for when you go to do CrossFit. You go to the box. The box is a warehouse.
I didn't know.
Yeah. So I hurt my back big time.
Doing CrossFit.
Eso fue in 2015, and I had to stop like 4 months. It wasn't too bad, but
Are you gonna tank the account? ¿Cuántas cuentas hiciste?
30. Maricón, esos son de mi hermano.
Wow.
I might have done more than 30.
Pero dijiste 60 de las tuyas. Dijiste 22.
Sí, hice todas las mías. Where is it? Here. Una, dos. 9, 31, 32, 33 cuentas, dice. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is my supply zone, and um, stop prices there, but I think the internals are still bullish enough for it to continue. Right. The only thing is, if you want to take a long, I think is the option, but wait for a good location. Good location means 58, 60. Um, we do have some demand areas around here. Let me see. On the 5 minutes, yeah, I would say like front running this pivot like 58, 50, 59, and stop at 53, somewhere around there. I'm not gonna take any other trade for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go get lunch, and like I said, I'm trading in the afternoons, but the replay mode, so I can get better at practicing other market scenarios. Now volatility is going down. It has gone down. VIX is at 12 and something, but keep in mind that we are creating a range. When we create a range, we are creating a high volume node. So that high volume node, um, the majority of the time, works as a launching point, right? To either direction. I don't think it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna be up, but we don't know yet, right? It has to be in the day that we see it breaking. So that's all for me today. I hope you had a good trading session, and if you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. Bye bye.